US sent warship, Turkish Navy will conduct exercises in the Eastern Mediterranean. In its NAVTEX message, the Turkish Navy announced that it will conduct exercises off the coast of Cyprus. It is reported that the exercise will be held from October 16th to 20th. Now that the USS Dwight D. Eisenhower and her carrier strike group are en route towards the Eastern Mediterranean, NATO will soon have a massive naval armada in the region. This includes 2 aircraft carriers, 2 Ticonderoga-class cruisers, 7 Arleigh Burke-class destroyers, 1 Type 45 air defense destroyer, 5 frigates, 2 landing support ships, as well as an untold number of submarines, supply ships, aircraft, and other surface ships which may also enter or be ordered to the Eastern Mediterranean over the next week. In my opinion, this is much more than just posturing for an Israeli invasion of Gaza. After the ongoing tension between Israel and Hamas, a critical step came from Turkey. The Turkish Navy is preparing to conduct exercises in the Eastern Mediterranean. After the U.S. sent 2 aircraft carriers to the Eastern Mediterranean to support Israel, a statement was issued from the Antalya station regarding the exercise planned to be held off the coast of Cyprus. From Antalya station in the published maritime notice, NAVTEX message, the dates of October 16th to 20th were noted. Drill in the critical area. Turkish Navy, between 16 to 20 October in the East Maritime for the activity where actual firing training will be carried out in the Mediterranean, he made a statement. In the NAVTEX message published from Antalya Station on October 13th, firing training took place on October 16th to 20th at 0600Z1500Z at the following site. Will be done, the exercise, which will start on Monday, October 16th, 2023, involves several ships and personnel from Turkish Navy. The exercise covers a large area of the Eastern Mediterranean, including the waters near Cyprus, where Turkey has been defending its rights and interests against the illegal actions of Greece and the Greek Cypriot administration. The exercise aims to test and enhance the readiness and capabilities of TI naval forces in various scenarios. The exercise also sends a clear message to our adversaries that no force can challenge Turkish Navy, as it has a modern and powerful navy that can protect national interests and sovereignty in any situation. Some of the ships that are taking part in the exercise are the TCG Bayraktar, a frigate based on the German MEKO 200 design, which has been upgraded with Mk-41 vertical launching system, VLS, and Smart S radar. It has a multi-role capability and can perform anti-air, anti-surface, and anti-submarine warfare. The TCG Bayraktar, a frigate based on the former U.S. Oliver Hazard Perry class, which has been extensively modernized with Genesis Advanced Combat Management System and new long-range radar and sonar systems. It also has 8-cell Mk-41 VLS for evolved Sea Sparrow missiles. The TCG Perviz, a submarine based on the German Type 209 design, which has advanced features such as air-independent propulsion, AIP, stealth technology, and guided missiles. It can operate for long periods underwater and strike targets on land and sea. The TCG Bayraktar, a landing ship tank, LST, that can carry a battalion-sized unit of 1,200 personnel, 8 utility helicopters, and 3 drones. It can also transport 150 vehicles, including battle tanks. These are just some examples of the impressive assets that our Navy possesses and employs in this exercise. We are confident that our Navy will successfully complete the exercise and prove its superiority in the Mediterranean. We thank you for your support and interest in Turkish Navy. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Stay tuned for more updates on the exercise. Thank you for watching.